Thanks Self-Haircut University for sponsoring this video. What's up everyone, my name is Alex Kouras and welcome back to another self-haircut video. I've got the 1.5 guard in my hands and I got a whole wolf on my head. So today is the day that I'm going to be giving myself a 1.5 guard buzz cut transformation, going from wolf to egghead. So let's get to it and let's see just how good this transformation is going to be. And just so you guys know, before we get started, I live stream all of my self haircuts for my self haircut program. If you guys are interested, you can check that out using the first link in the description down below. Now without any further ado, let's go egghead mode and let's do this before 360. And your boy's a little nervous, not gonna lie. So we've got the 1.5 guard on, lever is closed. We're gonna go in and buzz my entire head and we're gonna get everything down to a number 1.5 guard, lever closed. You ready guys? I'm ready. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Egghead! What is this? I'm gonna just leave that one little hair there. There he is. I see him. Long time no see. Tell you what, these Glacier clippers are really good. Bro, for under $30. Oh yeah, that's the look right there. That is the look. Let me go ahead and just clean up everything to a 1.5 guard now. That's what I like to see right there. Look at that. Yeah, Let me go ahead and just clean all this up. Let me just run the clippers through my head for a few minutes here to make sure that everything is the same length. Make sure you're going sideways. Going sideways is just as important as going straight back. All right, sideways going this way as well. So now I'm going in with my Glacier trimmers with the T-blade, of course, and I'm going to go and put the first guideline. I'm going to start a little bit high by my eyebrow and then do like a diagonal line going straight down toward the occipital ridge. So I'm going to be starting high and finishing a little bit low. So now with my clippers, with the no guard lever open, I'm gonna go up about 3/4 of an inch to 1 whole inch all the way around my head from the first guideline. So now to fade in this first hard line, I'm gonna go in with my clippers with no guard, and I'm just gonna slowly close the lever, put it in halfway, and then I'm gonna go up about halfway through this guideline with the no guard lever halfway, and then I'm gonna go back in and close the lever all the way and just soften up the bottom of the hard line. And then I'm gonna go back at the end, use my trimmers, and flick out to remove the hard line completely. Let's go in now, lever closed. So now I'm going to go in with the number 1 guard, lever open, and I'm going up again another 3/4 to 1 whole inch for this last guideline. So before I fade in this hard line, I'm gonna go back in with the 1.5 guard lever closed, which remember was the same exact length I used for the top of my head, and just clean up the top hard line that I created. So now to remove this last hard line, I'm going back to the number 1 guard, only this time I'm closing the lever, and I'm gonna go in, soften up the hard line with the 1 guard lever open, and then I'm gonna go back using the half guard lever closed and flick out the rest of the hard line. So now with the half guard lever closed, let's go in and let's flick out at the bottom of this hard line. Hey everyone, it's Alex Kouras, and I just wanted to let you know that I finally finished the massive update for my self-haircut program with 100% all brand new and exclusive lectures only for SHU members and a whole bunch of other benefits and lessons that are designed to help you guys learn how to cut your own hair in a fraction of the time and with a fraction of the mistakes. If you feel like you need a more formal way of learning how to cut your own hair, check out my self-haircut program and see if it aligns with your hair cutting and financial goals. I've poured over 15 years of my own self-haircutting fails and successes into this program, and I know you'll love it because I'm really happy with how it turned out. So if you want to learn more about my self-haircut program, check it out using the first link in the description down below. So now using my thinning shears held in reverse, I'm just going to go in, guide myself anywhere that I see any bit of a hard line throughout my haircut. I'm just going to go in and directly at the line, I'm going to cut using my thinning shears. Let's push all my hair down using my brush, or whatever hair that I have. Starting in the center, let's work away from the center over to both sides. I'm gonna try and do my fastest beard fade technique. I made a video on this before, but it's basically going from no guard lever open to no guard lever halfway to then no guard lever closed, and then going back to the no guard lever open, and then freehanding going down my beard. Ow, I just scraped myself. All right, there's part one. Let's go lever halfway. Okay, let's close it. Lever halfway. Closed. Ooh, it's your boy Egghead. Let me know what you guys think. I actually think it came out really, really good. Even though it's such a crazy transformation from the before, I think it actually looks really solid. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. This, you guys, is the perfect buzz cut self haircut using the number 1.5 guard. If you guys did like this self haircut and you want to see me do more just like this one, make sure you leave a like and share this video with a friend. Also, click on the subscribe button down below and the post notifications as well to never miss a new self haircut tutorial. And if you're interested in any of the tools that I use for all of my self haircuts, you can check them out in the description down below, as well as the self haircut program where you guys can learn in much more detail and in further depth in a more step-by-step professional type of scenario, how to actually learn how to cut your own hair to start saving time and money. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's perfect buzz cut self haircut. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you all next time. Peace!